Hi, babies.
There were 9 dogs rescued during those devastating wildfires in California. Luna was just one of them. She's so, so sweet. We're going to tell you how not only you can help them and the rescue, but how you may be able to take one of them home.
I am here to pick up Marion. I am fostering her from California, the wildfires, and working with a great rescue group who rescued them because in California there's a lot of kill shelters still and they euthanize dogs all the time. So I stepped up and said I will foster and probably be a foster fail because she's a doll.